What's up, my YouTube friends? Johnny V here. Today I'm going to show you all the Gemini 200 Delta Boeing 757-200, but you probably already knew that. There's the item number, g2DAL1307. Do a quick spin around of the box. This box opens up like this, and if you look in it, you see this with the model in it. Obviously, it has a nice base. I'll show you the base. It's metal, but it looks like wood, but it's a metal base. Anyway, here she is, guys. Nice looking model. One thing is I can't get the nose wheel to go straight. I mean, it's pretty straight. Straight enough, right? There's the L1 door. See the windshield wipers, the pitot tube. What is that? I don't know what that is. It's really too small for me to see. I'll have to look on the TV later. Two overwing exits. Tail number. A big tail. Put the tail number on top also. 683. Beautiful plane. There's the engines, guys. Put it over here, be better. Oh yeah, you can tell the nose wheel is not straight. Try not to break it. It made it worse. I don't think I have it in backwards. If you look at it like that, it looks great, right? First 757 came out in 1983, guys. Eastern Airlines was the first one in Miami, Florida to take delivery, put it into use. And then the stretch version came out 13 years later, 1996. They were made for about 8 years after that. In 2004, the last 757 rolled off Boeing's assembly line. And Shanghai Airlines took delivery in 2005 for the last 757 ever produced. In this Delta 757-200, there's 14 business class. You can see probably 7 rows of maybe two on each side, 2-2 configuration. 44 economy comfort. 44 economy comfort and 108 regular economy, for a total of 168 seats on this Delta. Range is 3,915 miles, and it can hold 35 tons of fuel. I looked up tonight, and tonight this plane's going from Atlanta. It's still in use. It's what, 31 years old? And tonight it's going from Atlanta to San Jose, Costa Rica. It's going to spend the night in Costa Rica and return to Atlanta tomorrow. So they gave it a break. I don't know if it needed some maintenance in Atlanta or what, but they gave it a little bit of a break because they run these things 3, 4, sometimes 5 flights a day, depending on how long the flights are. If they're little 1.5, 2 hour flights, I might get five flights out of it. But usually these are in the 2.5 to 4.5 hour flights. I think Atlanta to Costa Rica is like a 3.5 or 4 hour flight. Beautiful plane, guys. Let's look at the undercarriage. Landing gear comes out, of course, and they give you this baggie of parts to cover the nose wheel and the back and the main landing gear. But I don't want that right now. It's got a tiny magnet. Probably could see it. I mean, it's so small. You know, it doesn't need to be very powerful. It just snaps right in here. The other one, same thing. Put it into the fuselage, and then it snaps in with the magnet. Magnet pulls it. The landing gear rotates. The bogie is just 2 wheels on each axle here. The 777 has 3 on each side, so it has 6 on each side, 3 and 3. 777. But the Airbus 330 has the same 2-2 configuration of the landing gear. I'm going to show you. This plane gives my this is the longest. The 757-300 is the longest single aisle plane ever produced. I'm going to show you a comparison to my Spirit A321neo. The 757 is just a tiny bit taller. But this Spirit is actually tall. That 321neo is tall compared to the like a 737. I'll show you the 737. Step aside for a second, star of the show. I mean, this is a 737 MAX 9. Yeah, this is a Alaska 737 MAX 9. Step aside. I mean, but look at the wing area. The wing area is very different. This is not a small plane, guys. This is a 737 MAX 9. And the wing area is so much bigger. This is the A321neo. Look at the overhead. Give you an idea how much bigger the 757 is. Let me put a Embraer. Hold on a second. Don't go anywhere. Put an Embraer E190 next to it. This is my favorite Embraer E190, by the way. Jet blue. Blueprint livery. Look at the difference of the Embraer E190 and the 757-200. I gotta get the 757-300. I just need to get the flying pencil. Is the 757-200 called the flying pencil also, or just the 300? I think it's just the 300. I'm not sure though. I just wanted to show you all the difference between the wing area of a 1-200 Embraer. I mean, it almost takes up the whole runway, and this runway is to scale. I think the runway is 160 feet wide. The numbers are correct. The numbers are 60 feet long. G2 tubes. Let me get a screenshot. Let me get a what they call it? A thumbnail. Remember, smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you haven't. All the other stuff. Have some more planes coming, of course. But I really love this 757. Glad I picked it up. I think it was $89 plus tax at a local shop. Support your local shops, guys. They're dying. The internet's killing them. But you know, support your local shop if you can. If their prices are not outrageous, it's worth a couple dollars extra to support your local shop. And you get to take I took the model out the box, make sure nothing's broken, all that good stuff. Let's see, let me get the 750. Let me get the Airbus 330. It's gonna swallow it. There's the Airbus 330 with 757. As I'm sure you know, the Airbus 330 is much bigger. Alright, smash the thumbs up and I'll see you on the next video. This is Johnny V out. That's a beautiful Hawaiian too, by the way, huh? Johnny V out. Peace.